Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's topic of travel and tourism, we'll be visiting the place Paris, a beautiful city. Come, join us on the tour to Paris. Where is Paris situated? It is a European city in the country France. It is also the capital of France. It is located in the northern central France. It is included as one of the most important cities in the world. Why is Paris particularly so important? It is known for its excellent art, gastronomy, latest fashion trends, and its culture. According to a survey in 2018, the report stated that in the list of the most expensive cities of the world to live in, Paris stood at the second position, although it's one of the best places to be at. Whether you are planning to travel with a group of friends or as a family, there is plenty to do and see here. What is the best time to visit Paris? Any time is the best time to visit Paris. Overall, the weather is always mild in Paris. Summers never get too hot and the winters are never below freezing. Yet, the months with the most pleasant seasons are ranging from March to May, where you can enjoy with good weather. What are some of the top scenic locations in Paris? Watch ahead. When you're in Paris, you might want to visit many famous tourist spots like its heritage places or art sites. But then each such spot might have an entry fee that you would have to pay each time. In order to avoid those hassles, you can take an official city pass, which are available in different options to choose from. The options can be a mini package, 2 days package to tour the city, 3 days or 5 days. You can choose the one that best matches your criteria to tour around the local spots. The pass will give you access to visit some of the famous spots in Paris and also get a panoramic view of the city through a bus tour on a double-decker. So this pass really proves useful. What are some of the most famous attractions there? Let me share with you. The first attraction that we all know is the Eiffel Tower, which has many tourists flocking around it. The tower has 3 levels with observation platforms. You can go up to the first level and enjoy the scenic view, or go to the second level to enjoy the breeze, or you can even go further up to the top level. It even has some restaurants and bars up there, so you can enjoy the mesmerizing views with good food and drinks too. Another scenic spot is the Notre Dame, which is one of the oldest cathedrals which took many years to be built. It took approximately 185 years to complete. My gosh, that was too long. You can take a tour of the cathedral if you like. The next major attraction is the world's largest and most visited art museums of the world. It is called the Palais de Louvre Museum. It houses more than 35,000 works of art. It's so big that it's actually impossible to see the whole museum in one visit. You might need more than a single day's visit to finish seeing the whole museum. There are so many beautiful things to watch in there. No wonder it has so many tourists. The museum has a grand entrance too that is made of glass and is in the form of a pyramid. That's another spot for tourists to click pictures for their memories. Beautiful indeed. The next famous attraction is the Arc de Triomphe, which is similar to something that we have in Delhi, India, and that is the India Gate, which was built in memorial of those Indian soldiers who, along with the British Army, had fought the war and lost their lives. In remembrance of those, this monument was erected with their names inscribed on it. Similar to the India Gate is this famous monument that honors those who fought and died for France in the wars, with their names inscribed on it. Apart from these famous tourist spots, Paris's list has many more places, but I have shared with you the topmost ones. You can go on and on touring the beautiful attractions in Paris. When you're touring Paris along with your friends or family, just remember that if you have children accompanying you on your tour to Paris, then you must visit or can't afford to miss the attraction Disneyland. This amusement park is a must-see among the various spots of Paris. How to reach Paris and what are the accommodation options? Take a look. Getting to Paris is not a hassle. It can be easily reached from all the major cities of the world as it's a world-famous destination. Paris is served by 3 international airports of its own. You can get there by any means easily. Once you're into Paris, the city has bus, train and metro connectivity too. You can choose your mode of transport. Tourists can also enjoy something different. What is that? Along the Seine River, you can take ferry services too and enjoy the ride. What are the accommodation options in Paris? Paris has many hotels that you can book. A typical 2-star hotel in Paris starts at a price when converted into Indian currency from 8,000 rupees per night. That's for a modest 2-star hotel per night. But if you're looking for a 5-star hotel accommodation, the costing starts at 1 lakh per night and onwards. What are some delicacies of France? The most famous French food is baguettes, which is a piece of bread, but unlike a normal square one, it's a long loaf of twisted bread that you can relish on. Another specialty is the croissant, which is a crescent-shaped French flaky pastry that is sweet in taste. Other than these two, there are many more varieties of food options in Paris. But there are far crazier food options too, let me tell you. Do you know snails? The hard-shelled, slow-moving animals? The French prepare a dish of these which are called escargots. They also have a variety of meals prepared from duck. Well, if all this snails and ducks sound weird to you, no worries. You can try something else. Paris is also known for crepes that are fluffy and sweet. You can take wine as an accompaniment too. You can also shop for some stylish latest trendy clothes, as this place is a fashion hub. Amazing, isn't it? Dreaming about visiting Paris to see these locations by yourself? Then wake up to reality and start saving money so that you can take up a tour to Paris.